Hey guys, here's the thing. Leather may seem like one of the most difficult materials to clean and maintain, but it's not. It's just that so many people don't know where to start, so their investments get thrown away instead of lasting a lifetime. That's why in today's video, I'll be sharing how to easily remove light scuffs, bumps, and scrapes from your leather footwear in easy to follow steps. Let's get to it. In preparation, let's go ahead and remove our laces so that we can clean and condition every nook and cranny. And just so you guys know, we're partnering with the new kid on the block, Eagle Shoe Care, to revive your leather. More on them coming up. Next, let's go ahead and clean our leather by simply brushing it off. And as you guys can see, these boots are already pretty clean and not caked with mud or anything, so there's really no need to go through a whole cleaning routine. We'll be using Eagle's premium horsehair brush for the job. This brush is insanely dense, and just so you guys know, it is completely normal for a new horsehair brush to shed a few hairs at first. This is actually a really good trait of a high quality and natural horsehair brush. Pretty basic work, just brush off any dirt, dust, or debris, and if you find that it's a little dirtier than you realize, you may want to try Eagle's premium saddle soap to get the job done. Now on to conditioning. Today we're showcasing Eagle's Leather Lotion, which is a non-toxic formula safe for all leather except suede, as well as any exotic leathers like reptile or snakeskin. What's great about this formula is that it cleans, conditions, protects, and restores your leather, as you'll see in just a moment. Go ahead and shake before using, and then simply apply a dime-size amount onto a microfiber cloth. From there, thoroughly and evenly disperse Eagle's Leather Lotion throughout the boot, ensuring that you're massaging the leather as you go for best results. Of course, if your leather is super dry like these boots, feel free to add more as needed. Guys, let me know in the comments below what you think about these results so far. With that being said, I always try my best to get you guys deals on any of the products that I use on the channel. So Eagle agreed to offer 20% off when you use my code Evumies on their website, eagleshoecare.com. Having extensively tested their products on so many leather pieces so far, I can confidently say that I've fallen in love with the simplicity and effectiveness of their products, so definitely give them a try. Also, don't forget about your leather midsole, which can also provide hydration to those mid-layer leathers and promote flexibility and decrease cracking and creasing over time. From there, you'll want to allow your leather to dry around 12 to 24 hours, and if it happens to feel tacky or oily afterwards, just wipe off any excess with a lint-free cloth and you're good to go. And wow, tell me what you guys think of these boots in the comments below. I cannot tell you how rejuvenated this leather boot feels after drying. It's so supple, flexible, and it really feels brand new. The leather has its original deep cordovan color, and all of those bumps, scuffs, and discoloration are essentially gone. And as someone who works with leather almost daily, I'm really pleased with the results by Eagle's conditioner. So now let's go ahead and give it one last brush down and then put these laces back on. And last but not least, we want to conserve our leather, which means that we want to prevent creases and cracking by filling out the leather rather than letting it sag like most people do. And you guys aren't most people, right? So simply grab a cedar shoe tree or even newspaper or plastic bags and fill out your leather so that it maintains its shape. Just make sure not to overfill because then you can ruin the shape. And I'm telling you guys, if you can consistently keep up this simple and easy maintenance for your leather products, you guys will save tons of money by not having to regularly buy new leather, as well as keep it for potentially a lifetime or two. And just a quick recap of what it was before: dry, discolored, scrape, bump, and now. Alright guys, that is a wrap. Another beautiful piece of leather restored thanks to Eagle Leather Care products. If you guys got value, be sure to let us know by hitting that like button and sharing the video. Of course, if you guys want to see more leather care tutorials like this in your feed, hit subscribe. Leather can be so beautiful and durable if taken care of properly, so let's continue our journey together. Watch these videos next and I'll see you guys over there. As always, remember to love your leather.